Alright, welcome back guys to another video, and as you can see behind me, we have some stuff to talk about, so let's get into it. What we're going to be talking about today is what happened with my car. So I'm just going to get right into it and we'll go from there. So basically what happened is I was coming back from Arkansas to go to a job interview, and I was getting back on the interstate and I guess some person decided to pass me and caught my rear end quarter panel, and as you can see there is definitely some damage, and I heard it but I didn't really notice too much, and then I looked back in my driver's side mirror and realized that my bumper was halfway off and flapping in the wind going 75 miles an hour. So I figured I should stop. So I wasn't really in the mind to look for a person, so I just stopped, pulled over, and figured the person who hit me would have pulled over too, but nope, they just kept on going. So that's fun. So I get a little hit and run. So I'm gonna have to pay I have full coverage luckily, so I'm gonna have to pay $1,000 deductible. But this is what they're thinking it's gonna cost, the full amount. It's gonna be the $23.92. So luckily I have insurance and I don't have to pay all of that, because that would be insanely expensive and I would be hating my life right now. But I have insurance, so we don't have to pay that. So luckily that's good. But let's go take a look at the damage and we'll go from there. All right, so let's take a look at this damage real quick. So as you can tell, it got it pretty good. So the whole bumper, they're gonna have to replace this whole bumper. As you can tell, there's scratches down here. Don't know if you guys can see those. And then obviously you got this big area where it got hit on the bumper. And when I was driving it on the road and I had just gotten hit, the whole thing was hanging off like all the way back to back here. So I had to push that back in. As you can tell, it's not fully lined up. I just kind of did a rough job of it, just pushed it back in. It'll be fixed at some point, and then I pushed it back in and taped it to where it will stay. And then the next thing that got it really good was my light. I taped my light as well, just where no water hopefully gets in, but the light, I mean, as you can tell, is cracked. It's all busted down here. The whole thing's just ruined, but I'll get a new set of tail lights, and they'll be the sequential ones instead of the standard just Valenti tail lights. They'll look the same, but they'll be the sequential ones. So that'll be an upgrade that I get out of it. So that's at least nice. But back to the damage. Let's see. We have this quarter panel that the paint is cracked and it just looks terrible. Honestly, I feel like the repairs so far I could have done myself, but this quarter panel, I don't know how in the world they're gonna fix that. That blows my mind that they're just gonna fix it, but they're not gonna replace this whole part. Obviously it's a giant part. It literally goes from here all the way up to the front of the car, and then it starts down here and goes all the way down, and that's all one part. So that would be a big old mess to try to replace that. So that they're gonna have to fix. It got scratched a little bit here as well. As you can tell, it's bowed out. I don't know if you can see that, but it's squished in here and then bowed out there. It's not flat at all. And then if we look under here, the outer shell of the body panel and the inside actually cracked apart. So if you can see down here, they're stuck together. This is a stock thing. This is what Subaru do when they put it together. But it just cracked open. If you guys can see that, it literally just broke all the way up there. So they're gonna have to fix that as well. They said that'll be easy. So we'll hopefully get that fixed. They have a couple weeks of a wait just because they're super busy, because they're a great body shop. So we'll have to wait on that, which kind of sucks. But, and one other thing that we don't know if it necessarily happened during the wreck or not, is the door. The door sticks out, as you can tell, just a little bit. It's not completely flush. Like if we go over to the other side, we'll go over here. You can tell that sits completely flush with the body panel here. So we don't know if the body panel pushed out or if the body panel shot forward and it made the door push out somehow. But I figure I would have noticed that. I'm a very detailed person, but you never know. So they're gonna look at that and see if they can fix that. But that's basically all the damage. Comes to, like I said, around $2,300. So I'm glad I have insurance. I only have to pay $1,000. That's my deductible. So yeah, so that's a little update on my car. First accident I've ever been in, actually. And we'll go from there. I'll have updates when it's getting fixed, and then it'll be back to normal. We'll have new taillights, and that'll all be very exciting. I can't wait to get it done, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.